I got my own personal cheerleader. And it's me. You heard of unboxing? Well, this is unclocksing. Ooh, look at that. It's me in a clock, powered by AT&T Business. CrAIg wakes up small business owners with positive affirmations, because it's hard to feel motivated in the morning. You set up the clock with your name, your business's name, and let little CrAIg in there do the rest. Rise and grind, small business owner. You'll hear notable dates like National Pizza Day, or holidays like Valentine's Day. I mean, look, we got the soft touch material. One button does it all. We got the matte finish in champagne. Don't mind if I do. It's got everything. Wake up with CrAIg, powered by AT&T Business.
That tickles.